So this is Miss Sharon, and one of the she trade is that she repairs sofa. Alright? Sharon give a hammer and thing and don't worry about me, you know. You do your thing and you work and I also watch.
I use staple gun.
Where you use? What do you
I
use?
use staple gun.
Alright, you got your tools nearby? Show me your
Yes.
staple gun. Alright, so this is staple gun.
My hammer.
The hammer.
Scissors.
Scissors.
And I do my thing.
Alright, where the work on right now?
This one right here.
Do something make us see. Do something make us see. Staple, saw, cut, board, whatever. Yeah. Set.
Board, I have to cut the cloth for do this one here.
You have to cut the cloth for this back here. Alright. You want work or you want somebody work?
Sometimes I me one, sometimes I me and me half.
You want who work?
Me and me half, sometimes me
You
one.
want
Most
Mr.
of the time I me one do the padding. I only make them do the ripping. See?
Where you learn this?
On my own.
No, seriously.
On my own.
Nobody teach you and say, Sharon, this is how you fix sofa set?
No, I just watched my godfather one time. I was about, I say, 17.
And then you fix sofa set?
Yes.
So here in Lucky Strike, like other Christmas time, you must get a lot of job now to fix sofa set. Yes or no?
Yes,
I get a few. So everybody bring their sofa that Sharon to fix when Christmas time.
Yes, sir.
You make a good change?
Well, yes.
What's your price?
Depends on the size.
On the size of the sofa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this one right there, so lady, I'm a friend.
So
charge $275.
$275 to fix it up, make it look nice.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all. Yeah.
Like I said, depends on the size. I charge
okay.
according to
Well,
the size.
look at you do your thing on this one as man. I want to see you in action. I want to see your cutter, then stapler, and hammer it on, whatever you do. Nobody want to come to the video. I have the lady hold the cloth. Go to the chair, man. Go to the chair, man. Alright. So, where your business name? Sharon Upholstery? No name, just Sharon. Miss Sharon Fix Chair. Yeah, Miss Sharon Fix Chair down the road. Had a village with there. No every business got a name. Alright, so they cut the thing now. Why does this is as a sharp? And then see how so check, you just push it. Alright.
That's my plan anyway. I want to get a workshop.
You want to get a workshop?
Yes.
Well, by God's grace, maybe who knows? Maybe a minister will watch you and say, you know what, we are blessed with a workshop. Because you they help the community. You they give back with your skills. Alright.
On this, then this piece going in this side.
You can make a see?
So, because I have to take off this.
I know.
This are pushed in. Staple behind here, put a board there.
The far?
The board back here.
Oh, you staple it on the board right back there so?
And then you staple this side.
And then staple that up there so?
And then fix up the side. And the same thing with this piece.
The bottom part.
And then that I'll take and set right here.
Set time I see how you look pa? On the back.
That's I'll set right here.
You took it out of her head? Yep. Brand new sofa set, easy as that.
Put on the back, put on the bottom, and the 4 foot.
So how long it take you to do a sofa set?
To be honest, the set take me 3 days.
3 days. And clean, like brand new.
Brand new.
Nice.
Yeah, sometimes one night
One night?
Like tonight I was done at least 2 money.
2 money?
Yeah, because I'm at work this morning, so.
So this one belongs to somebody at the village?
Yeah, in Mascal.
Oh, okay. You get a lot of sales all over.
Well, I get 1, 2, like 3 already, and then this one I make 4.
Alright, so anybody want patronize the business and bring their sofa, because for this one the whole out there full of a sofa, you know? Huh? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I need a big shop because the time people say, me never know they have a lady that Lucky Strike fixture. Tell them what their number.
609 1174 Sharon Jones.
Sharon Jones Sofa Repair.
Yeah.
Have a good thing on nation. Sharon Jones Sofa Repair
Repair.
in Lucky Strike Village.
Yes.
All right. Well, we want to say thanks for your time and we appreciate the service. When I pass back here again, must be 2 days now. So far, they are on the road.
I don't want to get right now.
Yeah, you see? That is good. Tell them bye.
All the time. Bye.
All right.